Hey guys, in this video we will show you how to hide your subscribers count in your YouTube channel. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open YouTube on your mobile phone and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Currently you can see that my subscriber count is visible here. Now open Chrome browser and search YouTube desktop. In the first link you can see studio.youtube.com. Open the link, turn on the three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on desktop site. This will take you to the desktop version of the Creator Studio. Then in the bottom left corner, tap on the settings icon and tap channel option. In the channel option, tap on the advanced. Now scroll below. Here you can see the subscriber option. Just uncheck the box from here and your subscriber count will not be visible. Now just hit the save button. And that's all guys. So now your channel subscriber count will not be visible to anyone but except you. So just we can check here that our channel subscriber count has been disabled. So guys, we have reached the end of this video, and so guys, if you like this video, just give a thumbs up option, and if you don't like this video, just give a thumbs down option. But don't forget to give thumbs up or thumbs down option. Thanks for watching.